Grok3 just got a new feature which is called Deeper Research. You already know Deep Research, which is for advanced search and reasoning, but right now they have just uploaded this new version which is called Deeper Search, and it extends search and adds more reasoning to it. I have created two actual researches which we will cover today, and I'm super excited to see the results along with you. You can use Grok right now to do your research, and if you're interested in learning more about conducting deep research and getting full reports with a click of a button, you could join in my Udemy course, which is right here. We cover all of the usual deep research tools, and you can find it on the website down below, the NoFX Services website. Also, by clicking down below on the AI tools link, you will be able to find all of the deep research tools currently available that will help you with this course and tutorial. I have already covered Gemini Deep Research, ChatGPT Deep Research, Perplexity Deep Research, but also Grok's research in the past. You can go ahead and see the previous videos. The final result is that Grok3 and ChatGPT have the best research in my opinion. Let's see what the two new reports show us. This is so exciting. So help me add SEO optimization to my front page. So I rank in Google step by step through reasoning for each change. So what we ask it to do is tell us how to optimize our SEO for our website to pop up on the Google search on top. So what the result was is that after 10 minutes and 13 sources, it was actually able to give us a full report. It also gives us all of the references used to create this report. It breaks it down into key points which seem legit. It says us optimizing by title tag, this is legit, and a gazing meta description, this is also legit, and mobile friendliness and page speed, this is also legit. And here comes the full report with all of the steps, all of the actions you need to take, tools you can use. This looks really good, I gotta say, and I actually have to use it. I have to use it for this NoFX Services website to optimize our SEO even more. It's already very good, but maybe we can do a step forward. Heading structure, this is also very nice, not very important. So it shows us how, the most important things are on the top. Optimizes images, internal page linking is also important. And page speed also tells us how we can use this stuff to analyze our page. This is good. Use HTTP schema markup. It gives us a table of the things we gotta do, like a summarization. And that's pretty nice. Key citations, conclusions. That's a good report. I gotta say it's 100% correct. And from, seeing the structure, everything is readable. Very nice. Now let's see the other report. So the other report is you are given potential options and approaches for a project. Okay, so this is general query that we use over here. It took 14 minutes, 21 sources. So we ask it to create a plan for a project, but we don't specify the project. Well done, Airo. I know, guys. I know, I'm the best. I ask AI tools to do something without specifying what they should do. This is amazing. Okay, so it's doing this breakdown. That looks good. Okay, organized information. Okay, that looks good. And this is how essentially to conduct a research plan. This is interesting. It tells you what things to search, where to obtain the data, what answers you get. This is interesting. One of the things that I want to see is actually the steps it takes. So it starts to think, it's planning the research approach. So here you can see the actual process of what it will do. This is like how the model thinks. It does a search using this query, how to create a research plan for evaluating project options. Then it aggregates the results. That's interesting. It also checks for alternatives. Okay, this is interesting. There are some issues with accessing some stuff, evaluation criteria, and here is the final plan structure. For cost data, we will vendor quotes. Okay, that's super interesting. You can actually see the thought process of the model. And I think that deep research is nothing more than optimizing the AI for usage. Like, I think every tool in the future will essentially be deep research. I wouldn't say it's anything different than reasoning because it breaks down stuff, it searches the web, it addresses the problem, it optimizes its prompt, does step by step thinking. Literally, this is the pinnacle of actual generative AI right now. So I think the result is pretty nice. And I would place it very, very high. I would say that these results are very, very good. I think it's a step forward versus the, deep research alternative. I would say it's 5 to 10% better. I'm not going to go very high because I was already very happy with the actual results of just deep search. So yeah, I would say that this is very nice. And if you're interested in accessing Grok3, you can go on Deep Research, Grok3 Research. This is the NoFX website. You can find the video for Grok3 Research, and here is the link for grok.com. You click it, it brings you here. So thank you so much for watching another AI video. If you're interested in learning more, check out the list of my courses. I just have built an AI image generation course, which will go live. All of these, again, are absolutely free for you. These are absolutely free to join. They're hosted on Udemy, so I'm really excited to bring them to you. And the AI image generation course will also be free to enter. And then we will have our first paid course, which I would be very, very happy to see you joining in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.